page with insights. Write down a couple of insights you got from this. I want you to pay special attention to number 8. In your average day, what are you out to achieve? Many of us, in anything, whether we have careers, or we are with our kids and families, or run businesses, or whatever we're doing, either you run your day or your day runs you, right? And many times we start our day and it's like we're just on shikra, right? I mean, we're just, and it's just out of control, and we're very reactive. And we're letting things come at us versus kind of having a goal of achievement. I want to achieve today this. If I get through the end of my day and I've achieved this, then I'm going to be real happy. How many of us really manage it like that, though? It's very rare because days happen so fast, right? I mean, you go home, you have a million things to do, you get up the next day and you're at it again. It's like a boxer, you're back in the ring, right? With Mike Tyson or something, you know? So having number 8 is very important because, and number 9, does your day have a sense of achievement or a sense of doing? Is it about doing? I mean, and again, how fulfilling is doing? Just doing. I'm doing this, I'm doing that, I'm doing this over here, and then I'm going to go do this over here, and I'm going to do this over here, I'm going to do this right here, and I'm going to do this right here. Oh, you want me to do that? I'll do that for you. No, I'll do this over here for you. I mean, how that can drive you, actually, more than drive you crazy, it's not fulfilling, right? You go home, and it's like, you're exhausted. And then you either need a cigarette or a drink or whatever. It's like, or food. I'm like, TV, to just sit and stare at it, you know, and you're like grumpy, and there's no sense of achievement. It's doing. You're a doer. What do you do? A doer. That's what I do, right?
Some people like that, though.
Some people love it.
Really happy.
Absolutely. No, you're absolutely right. Some people are very happy. You know why? And that's a very, very good point, Tanya, because doing gives them a sense of achievement. Right, exactly. Exactly. So when you have a sense of achievement from doing, then you have something that's actually pulling you forward. So when you do something, you've achieved something. You achieved it, you achieved it, you achieved it. So you get to the end of the day, and you're like, yes, I did all this stuff. I feel good, right? Good. So everybody wants to hire Tanya. Tanya's the person for. No, that's awesome. That's really good. So write some insights, a couple of insights about how you know, things that you got and things that you did get from that exercise, because it's very important to kind of see, how do you run your day? Like I said, either you run your day or your day runs you. And this is all about creating structures so you can get from here to here. So if your day's running you, you don't necessarily have the structures in place to reach your goals, so you are reactive versus proactive, right? So running your day in a reactive manner, some people thrive in emergencies, right? Some people are great, just at the drop of a hat. What do I need to do? Procrastination. They love it. They wait till the last minute. I know there's not a lot of people in here like that, but some people, you know, it's just, it's not a bad thing to have that pressure, because it gets adrenaline going and your brain gets excited and you're like, I can do it. I can pull this off. The problem with that type of behavior is your adrenals get, what, Debbie?
Fatigue.
Fatigued. Your adrenals can get fatigued when you're living in a constant state of fight or flight, an emergency, right? You may perform wonderful in that capacity. I have so many clients who are like, oh yeah, I'm the best when I'm just up against deadlines and I'm just like, just have to produce it. But what is that doing to your body? Heart attack? Coming up soon? I mean, what's happening to your home life, your health. There's other factors. Remember, there's 10 areas. You got to think of all of them. So having a structure and not letting your day run you will allow you to feel more peace. Peace is not the absence of chaos, right? What is it? It's being peaceful in the middle of chaos. So we're not going for this peaceful and Zen environment in your lives. We're going for having a full life and having that breakthrough that you want to have with all of this stuff present, and it's way overwhelming and it's so big. And you're all right. Why? Because you have a structure that you're walking in. So now we're going to take a break, and when we come back, we're going to talk about calendars and tasks, okay? So we're going to have 15 minutes.